Hey, how you doing? I'm the Don, the godfather of computers, here with this week's IT security tip number 15. Your firewall is useless unless. A firewall is a device that acts like a security cop, watching over your computer network to detect unauthorized access and activity. And nowadays, every business and household needs one. However, your firewall is completely useless if it's not set up or maintained properly. Here are 6 steps that you need to apply to configure your firewall. Number 1, secure your firewall. Access to your firewall should be limited to only the people and devices you trust. To keep the bad guys out, make sure your firewall is secured properly by at least changing the default username and password. Number 2, set up firewall zones and IP address ranges. Zones should be set up for each primary function, such as email, VPN, databases, workstations, point-of-sale systems, and VoIP telephone services. They should all be configured in appropriate zones. Number 3, create rules. Rules are used to control what information is allowed to flow into and out of each zone. Number 4, DHCP, IPS, IDS, and all the rest. Does your firewall need to be set up for DHCP, which means Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, or IPS, Intrusion Prevention Systems, IDS, Intrusion Detection Systems, and others? Number 5, test your configuration. First, check to make sure that your firewall is blocking the traffic that it should be blocking. Then make sure you get a backup of your configuration once your firewall is finally right. You don't want to have to set all this up all over again, do you? Number 6, ongoing management. When steps 1 through 5 are complete, you will need to monitor your firewall so it functions properly. Be sure to update the onboard software. It's called firmware. Monitor the logs. Perform vulnerability scans and review your configuration rules at least every 4 to 6 months. And don't forget to set up guest Wi-Fi on your router so visitors and customers won't be able to get into your home or business network. Your firewall needs to be upgraded and patched on a continual and consistent basis, and security policies and configurations updated with every new hire or termination at a minimum. As you can see, this is usually not something you will want to handle on your own. You are best served by letting the pros, that would be us, handle that for you. Firewalls are an essential part of security today. If you don't have one, you need one. If you need help figuring out what to buy, give us a call at 636-542-8653 today, or take your chances with the cyber criminals and costs, fines, and other ramifications associated with a data breach. That's it for tip number 15. Next week's tip will be a warning if you handle, process, or store credit cards. Remember, it ain't personal, it's just business. Till next time.